Good morning, all of you. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss the remaining portions cotton textile industry. Actually, weaving cloth from the yarn is an ancient art. Weaving the cloth from the yarn is an ancient art. We Indians know this technology, especially the cotton cloths, since from the Harappan culture. Anyway, this cotton textile industry can be divided into two on the basis of the materials used for this industry. They are natural and man-made. Natural materials and man-made materials. Natural materials are coming from the natural things. Here the material means the fiber for the production. Natural fibers are coming from the silk, wool, cotton, linen and jute. But the fibers which is from the man-made is nylon, polyester, acrylic and rayon. These are the man-made fibers or synthetic fibers. This man-made fibers also known as synthetic fibers. Okay. Anyway, till the industrial revolution of 18th century, most of the all of the textile industries are handlooms, but the invention of power looms in the 18th century is the actual reason for the development of the cotton textile industry, because by 18th century power looms were introduced. This introduction of the power looms is the actual reason for the development of this cotton textile or the textile industry. Important producers of cotton textiles are India, China, Japan and USA. Anyway, cloths of Dhaka, Masulipatanam, Calicut, Burhanpur, Surat and Vadodara were well known for its quality and design. The cloths from Dhaka, Masulipatanam, Calicut, Burhanpur, Surat and Vadodara were well known all over the world. Not only for its quality, also for the design. But these Indian cloths were produced traditionally with handloom technology. This Indian textiles industry could not compete with the textiles came from the modern power loom industry. Gradually, this Indian traditional textile industry collapsed or fell down. By 1854, India started to establish power loom textile industries. By 1854, a mechanized industry was established in Mumbai. Gradually, the rest of the part of India also started to establish power loom industries. Textile industry flourished gradually in Maharashtra and Gujarat because of the favorable humid climates. Humid climate, keep in mind, humid climate is very important for the growth of the cotton plants. Anyway, the other important centers are Coimbatore, Kanpur, Chennai, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Kolkata, Ludhiana, Pondicherry and Panipat. Once more, other important textile industry areas or regions or centers are Coimbatore, Kanpur, Chennai, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Kolkata, Ludhiana, Puducherry and Panipat. Now, the humidity can be created artificially. That is the benefit of the modern technology. Okay. So what we have discussed here is that before the 18th century, Indian textile industry was traditional, and after the 1854, India also started to establish the modern mechanized power loom industries. Okay.